Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about 5 things that I've done to make more money in my business. My name is Stephanie Obi and I'm the author of the book, Knowledge is the New Gold. In this book, I talk about how you can turn knowledge that you have, maybe you're even taking it for granted, it's just there in your head. So you can turn this into a product that makes you money and helps you to impact thousands of lives. So if you've never heard about the book, you can click on the link, just look below, you'll see a place to either buy the book or download a free chapter of the book. So look through it, get it, have fun, and I hope that is a blessing to you. So now let's move to the crux of this video. Let's move to the cow. So number one thing that I've done, and number one is quite counterintuitive because it doesn't look like it's a money-making strategy, but it is. And I'll tell you, number one, investing in coaches. I'm telling you. So it's the reason why it's counterintuitive is that you have to pay, like money has to leave you. Money has to leave you. But the thing is that that's why it's an investment. So when money leaves you, money's gonna come back, and sometimes you can make 5 times the amount of money that you're investing. And I say this for a fact because that's what I've seen happen in my own business. When I want to move to the next level, sometimes I have to work with somebody who can help me to get there. And they have testimonials, they have results, they have a proven track record, and all they'll be doing is to help you to actually get there. So that's one powerful strategy that I've used over and over and over again. And I see, like, I find that not a lot of people know this, but sometimes this is what you need to do in your own business. Number 2, I've run Facebook ads. So the beauty of Facebook ads is that they allow you to reach a new market, to reach a new audience. So no matter what, you can feel like you can feel like you have exhausted all the people who are ready to pay for your products among the people who are following you. With Facebook ads, you can attract a brand new audience who have never heard about you, who have never heard of anybody who even knows you. Like you can attract a brand new audience who are looking for your product. But you're in a business, and with businesses, sometimes you have to spend money to be able to make money. So I find that when I run Facebook ads, it's an investment in my business. I'm putting money back into the business, and what it does is to help me to get leads that will eventually convert into clients. And and the beauty of Facebook ads is that you can target the different markets. You can say, oh, I want to reach out to people in Ghana, I want to reach out to people in Kenya, I want to reach out to people in Zimbabwe. You can say, I want to reach out to people who have who look like people who follow me, right? You can say, I want to reach out to people who have this kind of interests. Do you see? So you can use all those metrics and you can find the kind of people who will eventually buy your products. You can, but you have to invest in your business. Number 3 is that I've created more products. So sometimes I'm creating more products for existing customers. So I'm saying, oh, my customers are people who are creating and launching online courses. I have a training product, I have an online course. What else can I sell to them? I can sell them a website, I can sell them a book. So you're selling to the same type of people. Now I've also done stuff where I'm selling products I'm creating products for people who won't typically buy from me. All right, for one reason or the other, they are not my ideal clients at the time. I've done things where I decided to create a product for people who are not typically my ideal clients. Another strategy is to create products for people who typically can't afford your packages. So sometimes I would do an introductory product, it's like 10,000 naira or 20,000 naira, and that is for people who on a good day can't afford my major product. So I just do that product just to be able to sell something to them. I'm creating products for different clusters of people. So that's what I also encourage you to do. Look at your business critically and say, who am I not reaching right now, and what can I create to sell to them? Or you can also say, what other opportunities am I leaving on the table? I have people who buy this from me, what else can I sell to them? And you'll find that if you are solving a specific problem and you're trying to make life easier for them, they're going to pay for it. Number 4, I've written down my goals. Now this thing it sounds so simple, but it's so powerful. Like when you write down how much you actually want to make, if you write it down, what happens is that your brain starts to focus, because you may have so many ideas, but they're just all roving around your head. But if you haven't written down your goals, if you haven't written down a plan on how to get there, you just know that you wake up every morning and you won't be focused. Like, you'll be getting distracted by everything that comes up. But when you write down your goals, what you'll find is that you begin to prioritize, and you begin to start focusing on what is important to you at this time. All right, so I find that if I don't do this thing, it's a very simple thing I can finish in 15 minutes. If I don't sit down and clearly articulate what my next level goals are, life will just happen to me. Life will happen to me. But when I'm clear on what I want to achieve and I write it down, I start, all the forces start working together to help me to achieve my goals. Number 5, it's one of the things that I do when I just quickly want to raise quick cash, is that I can run a flash sale. So a flash sale, I put together some of my old online courses that I'm not currently pushing out there. I put them together, I give a discount, and I put it out there. I send it to my email list, and people who have been trying to pay for that product and they see a promotion, they see a discount, they see plenty bonuses, they pay for it. All right, and this is something that I do to raise emergency cash. In fact, I even have a blog post where I talked about how much money I made from a flash sale, how I did it, how I put it together, how I marketed it, how much I made. You can read it. I think I'll put a link to it below. You can read it and see, how I did it. But that's one of the things that I do, and which is why I really, really like online courses, because they're like a product that you can reuse over and over and over again. Things happen, and when things happen, you want to be able to quickly raise cash in your business, and this is one of the things that you can do to quickly raise money. So I hope that this has been helpful. I would like to hear what are the strategies that you've also used to make some more money in your business, or if there are any of the strategies that you think that you're going to start applying, please tell us in the comment section. Head over to my website at www.stephanieobi.com. look out for the blog. You will see where we're having the conversation, and please be a part of it. I also have a free online course starter pack for anybody who is trying to launch online courses. You can download it, it's free, and have a nice time going through it, and I hope that it helps you to get started. Thank you so much for watching, and if you know anybody who needs to watch this video, please tell them about it, because I think that this is a very helpful video. All right, please tell them about it, they will thank you for it. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I hope to see you same place next time on this channel. Thank you for watching, and see you later.